That is so creepy. Get away from me.
Hey guys, it's Tiff. What is freaking up, you guys? So, in today's video, we are changing things up. I have never, ever done a prank in my entire life on this channel, and I figured since it's Halloween, it's 2019, today is the perfect day for me to start pranking people. So pretty much, I bought these huge black demon eyes contacts. They are massive. They're supposed to fill up my entire eye, and I'm super excited to wear these. I have been wanting to do this video for so long now because I've seen other people do it on YouTube, and I love watching people's reactions to them. So I figured I would do this video. So today I have a pretty much full day of running errands, being outside, and I figured in the spirit of Halloween, we're just gonna prank a bunch of people. Either they're gonna think I have really weird eyes or that I'm a demon, and I'm hoping they think I'm a demon. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Woo! Please ignore my messy room. I'm in the process of decorating it and cleaning it right now. So the first step is I should probably put in my contacts. These are the contacts that I got. As you can see, that is massive. This is a normal size contact. Can you guys see the massive difference? I haven't put contacts inside of my eyes since I was in high school. I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm gonna freak out probably. Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh my God, that shot in my freaking eyeballs. Okay, these are massive. I don't think I can do this. Oh my God, that is so scary. That's so scary. I'm scared. Next one. Oh my God, I did it. Oh my God, that's so scary. Oh my God, I need to close my eyes. That is scary. Okay, I'm ready to go. So the first person I get to prank with my new eyes is actually my friend Kaisha. Kaisha is actually my house cleaner. She's amazing. I freaking love her to death. And she has an amazing sense of humor. Wait, where did she go? I think I just heard her leave. She's gonna be the first victim of my prank, so let's go. I'm gonna put on makeup later, but not right now because I just wanna freak her out and she's leaving pretty soon.
Tiffany, can you open up the gate, please?
Yeah. Wait, did you see my eyes? Were you scared?
Yeah, eyes.
I feel like I look like a bug. They hurt so bad. I'm a demon.
Giving me chills too, Tiffany.
All right, so I'm heading to the bank right now. The bank is super close to me, so I literally can just walk there, which is amazing. I don't think Zoe is freaked out by my eyes. Can you look at me? Look at me. Kiss. Oh, she's still kissing me. Walking Zoe. I hope I see a neighbor. Highly doubt I will though. She's so excited. Oh shoot, I didn't bring your poopy bags. Please don't poop. I just saw a neighbor driving and they gave me a double look, so I think they saw my crazy eyes. Yeah. Zoe, no one is here. Made it to Chase. Right, I am leaving Chase and no one has made eye contact with me yet, so that was a fail. But I think we'll see more people once I actually go to like Walmart and Target and Ralph's to buy groceries and run errands and stuff. Home sweet home. Literally no one saw my face at all except the one driver and he freaked out. But that was kind of boring and it's really hard to see in these eyes. Oh my gosh. Zoe, did you have a nice walk? Thank God you didn't poop because we didn't have bags for you. All right, arm up. You gotta push your arm up, silly girl. Okay, good girl. All right guys, so I'm back inside of my room right now. I'm gonna start finishing up my makeup. My eyes are crazy. I feel like they look like more like a bug than a demon or someone evil. So let me know down below, what do you guys think? Bug or demon? Demon, a bug. Bug, a demon. Demon, a bug. So right now I am just watching YouTube videos and I'm gonna do my makeup. Oh my God, look at Zoe. Alright guys, so makeup, hair is done. I feel like I look very, very girly with scary eyeballs. It's honestly kind of scary. I feel like my eyes are feeling really dry in these contact lenses. I definitely need to buy some eye drops for myself. We are gonna go ahead and start going out in public. I'm excited. I'm gonna go to McDonald's, grab some food. I am starving. It's like 2 p.m. right now. And then we're gonna go to Ralph's, buy some groceries, and then we're gonna go to freaking Target and buy some bras. Yeah, I definitely need a new bra. So let's do that. Zoe, are you scared of me? Are you scared of me? No, you're not. You're kissing me. I think she's a little scared, honestly, but like not super duper scared. Oh my God, she's so cute. So I'm bringing my wallet, my sriracha, and a lot of bags because I'm going shopping for groceries, and then we're gonna go to McDonald's. I love eating my French fries with sriracha and ketchup, so that's why I'm bringing this guy. And then of course I need my wallet to pay for stuff. I'm also gonna bring contact solution with my contact case because I really don't know how my eyes are gonna react while I'm filming. I can definitely see, but I don't want to like put myself into jeopardy or like anyone else's lives in jeopardy, so I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna test it out in the car. Ralph's is literally 2-minute drive. It's literally around the corner, so it's not much of a drive for me. All right, so I'm headed to McDonald's right now. It is so freaking hot in LA. How is it freaking fall? Oh my God, it's 86 degrees. What the heck? Oh my God, that is insane. McDonald's, here we come. I'm so excited for McDonald's. Oh yeah, also McDonald's is also around the corner for me, so I'm not really driving that far. And honestly, right now I'm pretty confident with my eyesight. Just pull into McDonald's. Ah! I'm kind of nervous because I feel like I'm gonna get like no reaction at all. I feel like living in LA, people are just used to people being weird, and so I feel like I look pretty weird because I'm wearing a really girly outfit with like black eyes. Wait, would it be really funny if I put sunglasses on and then at the end I just like took them off and looked at her? I think that would be so funny. Can I get a McDouble without pickles, small fries, and then an Oreo McFlurry?
Anything else?
Nope.
Your total is 901 per person.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, how about Oreo McFlurry with extra Oreo topping?
Yeah.
901.
Okay. Here you go. Thank you.
How you doing?
Hey. Oh, sorry.
Okay, yeah, you paid her. You paid her.
Can I get a water cup as well? Oh my God, yum.
Take care.
Thank you. What was that?
Little contacts?
They're contacts. I'm trying to scare people, but no one's getting scared at all today. Really?
Scared the girl in the back.
Does she say something?
Look at her eyes. I was like, those are just contacts.
Thank you. Yay! I scared someone! Yay! Oh my God, I'm so happy. Guys, I scared someone. Woo! The guy just told me that I freaked out the girl that I was giving money to, and she told everyone else to look at my eyeballs. But oh my gosh, her being scared just made my day. Woo! So I got a mini McFlurry with extra Oreos. This is so good. I think it was really smart of me to have like my sunglasses on, because when I took them off like that is freaky. Oh, she's like normal looking. Scary. I am gonna eat my fries. Oh my gosh. That was so good. I'm really tempted to finish it, but me and Adalind have dinner plans in like 2 hours, and I know if I eat more than that, I'm gonna get full. She's melting a little bit, so she's not as good as she was. Boom. Gas prices are crazy. It's like $4.20 a gallon, and this is at Arco, which is like cheap gas. Okay, I'll be back, guys. I just got gas. I'm sad. Not one person at the gas station made eye contact with me. Normally I avoid eye contact with everyone, and today is a day where I don't want to avoid eye contact with people and no one is looking. It's really sad actually. But now we are on our way to Ralph's, which is literally right next door. Hello, Ralph's. Okay, so we got the sunnies on, but we will take this off in a little bit. I just want someone to see me. Okay, we're taking them off. Hi. I think he saw me. Guys, I'm sad. I just got a reaction from the security guard and I wasn't freaking filming it. Oh my God. But all he said was that my eyes look really pretty. And I was like, okay, you know, but thanks. and he was telling me that I should scare people by like taking off my sunglasses and being like, hey, I have a question for you. But I don't know how to film that while like holding it at the same time. So we're gonna try this out. All right, so we're gonna film like this and see if anyone sees my eyes. Excuse me, do you guys have broccolini? No? Okay, thank you. They didn't even react. We're getting some mushrooms. Oh yeah! We love oatmeal. Excuse me? Do you know where the brown rice is?
Oh, right here, rice. Number 18, sweetheart.
Oh, 18? Oh, thank you. She just smiled. Hot Cheeto Puffs. Noodles. Nice oatmeal. Did you get like...
Okay. It looks really cool.
Oh, thank you. Always check your eggs. We're putting the sunnies back on because no one is scared.
Thanks a lot, appreciate it. That's for your picture, girls. Appreciate it. Sorry, have a good one. Bye-bye.
I am annoyed. No one's been reacting at all. Also, I just watched the last footage back and you couldn't even see the cashier's face, but he did react, except it wasn't freaking on camera. This is what I get for trying to prank people. It's just failing. This is why I don't do pranks on this channel. Man. Okay, I'm still in the parking lot and I got someone to stare at me, but I couldn't. It wasn't on camera. But it was so satisfying. The guy was trying to take my parking spot, so I was letting him take it. So he was like pretty close to me, so I could see his face, and he was just like, staring at my face like, what is wrong with this girl? I'm at Rite Aid right now because I completely forgot to buy eye drops at Ralph's, and hopefully someone at Rite Aid reacts. If not, I give up. Rite Aid, here we go. Excuse me? Do you know where like the eye drops are?
Right in front of pharmacy.
Thank you. Excuse me. Do you guys know where the eye drops are?
Right behind you.
Oh, sweet. Thank you. So no one reacted. I took off my sunglasses and people just went on about like, nothing's wrong with her. I give up. I totally give up. People don't react to this type of stuff anymore. Another day in LA. I'm currently looking for candy right now because y'all know I love candy. Yes. Oh. Can I put my phone number?
Yeah, it'll come on inside. What? Okay, here's your receipt.
Thank you. So Rite Aid was a complete fail. No one even looked me in the eyes. Alright guys, update here. I am currently home right now. If you're wondering what all that noise is, Zoe is eating right now. Adalind said she should be here in like 40 minutes. I am currently putting away all of my groceries, but I'm currently eating at some Biscoff cookies. I also put the cookie butter. That's good. Guys, I think Adalind is here. Okay, we are gonna try to figure out how to scare her. I don't know how to do this other than just literally go like this. I hear them, I hear them. Hi. Come on. Zoe. Come on. Hi. Oh my God, wait, do you have contacts in? Oh my God, you're not scared at all. Oh my God. Wait, you're not scared at all. I was trying to freak you out.
No, it's because you were like, your eyes were closed and smiling. So it just looked like you have really big pupils or something. But it actually is kind of scary. Did it take you a long time to get that in?
Oh my God, it took me so long. It was so hard to get in. Okay, so Adalind just taught me that I look a lot scarier. Hi, hello.
Hello.
If I go like this.
You look so much scarier.
Like this entire time I thought this was scary. This is scarier.
That's so much scarier.
And now I'm like mad at myself because if I would have walked around Ralph's like this, that would have freaked so many people out.
She literally, we looked at each other in the eyes. She went like this and then she went like this. And I was like,
I honestly thought out of everyone that I was gonna scare today, you would react. And you just look like, oh, you got contact lenses. Kick and crab. Hi, for 3, please. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I know, they just look and they're like, okay. I think we're ready to order.
Are you?
Yeah. Look at my eyes. Something wrong with my eyes. Could I get a pan of the king crab legs?
Wait, I did something to it.
Food is here. Oh my god. I want my pan of king crab legs.
Do you like to give you?
Bring off the head like that. The head like this.
Okay.
That's the head. Here is the aftermath of our food. I just took a Polaroid. I look so scary. Krispy Kreme. Adalind really wanted this. Oh, you're so excited. Yeah.
487? Thank you.
Did she notice? She kind of noticed. She like did a double take but didn't say anything.
Do you need a pause? Look at you.
Did you notice? I really tried to look downwards too at her.
It's because it's spooky season. People expect it. You needed to do this in May.
I know.
I mean, they're like hot and warm.
Honey?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Oh my god. What the heck? That is so creepy. Get away from me. Who are you, freak?
Hey, do you want to kiss me?
I don't know, barely.
Are you kidding
I'm
me?
just kidding. Get over here. Kiss me, you demon.
It's like, what?
Did you get scared?
I'm freaked out.
Oh my god. Hi.
How are you? Freak.
Do you not like it? Would you date me if my eyes always looked like this?
No.
What? Are you kidding me? I look so cute. I feel like I look like a bug.
You do not. Zoe looks cute as a little bug, but you...
I don't look like a bug?
You look like a bug, but it's like very freaking creepy. Stop it. I don't even want to be around you.
Are you kidding
I'm
me?
kidding. I'm kidding. Come here.
Say that again.
When do you plan on taking those out? So I can like plan the night.
Plan the night. I think I'm gonna keep this in all night
No.
while we play Catan.
No.
He like wakes up, you're still wearing.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Why are you the only one freaked out today?
Because I look at you at a deeper level than you do.
So everyone wants me to take my contact lenses out. I'm really scared.
Hard to take out.
I feel like this is gonna be so hard.
Girl, use the side of your fingers.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
Don't
yeah.
scratch your eyeball, please.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, that is so much easier.
It looks like tapioca.
Oh my god, that feels amazing. Whew.
Whoa.
My eyes can breathe. Am I getting it?
That's so
Hanging out.
Oh, it came out.
That looked like it hurt, but it was
That
really
one actually
satisfying
hurt.
to watch.
Guys, I highly suggest not doing this video because nobody was scared. But I feel like if you like live in a different city outside of LA, maybe you could get away with it. Don't do this during Halloween because I feel like everyone was kind of expecting it, or they just like were like, oh cool, like average day.
Out your Halloween costume.
Yeah. All right, so that is today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give me a huge thumbs up. Also, let me know down below, what is your favorite black food? If you guys are a part of the end of the video squad, make sure you guys comment that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye, guys.
Bye.